and all Srila Prabhupada. Okay, I'm so happy to see all of you participating in this workshop from last 3 days, very enthusiastically. And today also we have a very nice session, okay, Krishna Zumba. And before we go to that, let me introduce, we have a very senior devotee, His Grace Sudhir Gopal Prabhuji, to give his blessings to all of you. So he is an alumni of IIT Bhubaneswar. He's currently working with HP India. He's also a senior preacher of ISKCON Whitefield and is responsible for transforming many lives to Krishna consciousness. His entire family is very inspiring, with his wife, Her Grace Subhadra Preeti Mataji, who is an excellent singer. So is his daughter, Shubhangi. Some of us have enjoyed their blissful performance in Bhajan Sandhya. His son Sheshadri is a talented Mridanga player too, and he's a high scorer in school also. What an inspiring Krishna conscious family. Let's welcome Prabhuji by chanting loudly Hari Bol 3 times. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. And now I request Prabhuji to please bless and encourage our children here today.
Okay. Hare Krishna. I'm really excited and very privileged to join this group. I'm also feeling really young, though I have gray hairs and bald head. But then, like, once I am in this young, energetic group, I'm feeling that I also want to dance. I also want to sing, and I see so much energy with all these kids. I see already Prachi and Aradhana and everybody have started already dancing. I see how they are so excited about it. I really appreciate all of you joining this program. And do you know, like, of course, you can guess from my background, who is also Krishna called? Krishna is also famous for his dancing. Do you know that? He really danced not on like in a simple floor. He danced on top of the snake, Kalia, and sing Lord's dance. Even the demigods, all the devatas, all the gopis, and everybody, they were so ecstatic and happy, right? How Krishna is dancing. And they also got the desire, oh, we also want to dance. And not only Krishna danced so nicely, when Lord Krishna came as a Mahaprabhu, he used to dance for hours and hours and hours and sometimes days. And do you know, he had one associate called Bakreshwar Pandit. Now, he used to dance for how many hours? Anybody can guess? 8 straight 72 hours. Now we will see today, right? We have the Gopas and Gopis here, how long you can dance. I have heard from so many parents that, oh, our kids have become so lazy. They are just staying at home and watching mobiles and this and that. But they don't know. Today, all of you, you have to show to your parents how much energetic you are, how much energy you have. Okay, so that you are really prepared for Janmashtami. You have to really jump and dance and loudly call out Lord, and loudly from your heart. What? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. I see still some of you have not raised your hand. This is a warm up, right? Not only you have to raise your hand, but you have to raise your voice as well, loudly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. I still could not hear some of the voices. It's not loud enough. Lord is still in Vrindavan, right? Your voice and your heart has to reach Vrindavan so that you get more energy. Now it has to be a million times. Everybody, I see still Sanvi and some of you have not raised your hand and not raising your voice as well. Now everybody loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. Yes, now everybody is warmed up enough to receive the mercy of Lord Krishna. So now let's go for our dance. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Prabhuji. That was really inspiring. I think all the kids are like, like charged up now to learn the dance. Now I'll quickly introduce our instructor, Shweta Ray Mataji. She's a computer science graduate and she's teaching children and adults since 5 years now. She's a certified Zumba instructor and child nutritionist. And also Mataji knows Bharatanatyam. She's a certified Bharatanatyam dancer and loves to bake cakes for Lord Jagannath. She puts her heart and soul into dancing just to please Sri Radha and Krishna. A big Hari Hari Bol to Shweta Mataji. Over to you, Shweta Mataji. You can start the class now.
Thank you so much, Mataji, for your inspirational words. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji, Sudhir Gopal Prabhuji, Hare Krishna, Manjulali Mataji, and Hare Krishna to all the beautiful children here. Okay, so to begin with, I will tell you a little about Zumba. Okay, so Zumba is basically a dance fitness program that was initiated in Colombia. And it is like, I will not be teaching you dance here, but it would be something that we will do together to have fun, right? So as you all know, Radharani and Krishna love dancing, right? So to please Radharani and Krishna, we are going to be dancing with them, right? So you have to be so graceful and you have to leave all your worries, all your study worries, all your, everything. You have to just leave all your worries and try to have fun with Radha and Krishna. You have to invite Radha and Krishna to dance with you. Okay, so are you all ready for Zumba? Please show me a thumbs up. Come on. Come on, all of you. I want to see all of you. Yes. I can see a few of them, not all of them. Please switch on your cameras if you have not. I would like to see all the wonderful kids, all the little Krishna and Radha. Please, come on. Okay, that's nice. So let's begin. So in this session, we will have 3 parts. The first part would be a warm-up session where we will do a little exercise before we start dancing. Yeah. Then we will do our Zumba. We'll do about 3 to 4 songs of Zumba. So you will have to just follow me. That's it. Okay. And the last part would be our cool down. So we'll do a little stretching after we have, enjoyed our dance. Okay. Ready, all of you? Please show me a thumbs up if you are able to listen to the song. I'll play the song now. Please show me a thumbs up if you can listen to the song. Mataji, please let me know if the song is audible.
Yeah, sure. Sure, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, shall we start? So I would not only like the kids, but all the volunteers and all the parents also to join us. That would be wonderful to see. So please join me and join all the young kids in this session. Yeah.
जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई, जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई, भज राधा गोविंद जय गौराणी साई, राधा गोविंद जय गौराणी साई। भज गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
भज गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ नंद दुलारा गिरिधारी गोपीनाथ नंद दुलारा भज गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
भज गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
गोविंद गोविंद गोपाला
Very well done. Were you all able to do warm up. Follow the warm up. Yes. Show me a thumbs up if you were able to follow the warm up. Haribol, Mataji, are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes, we are able to hear you, Mataji. Wonderful session. Yes.
Okay.
More to come. Yes, we are sure.
Okay. I hope you all are doing too. And yes, we will move on. I hope all the kids are fine. Yes, all the kids. Okay. So I will move on to our first song. So it's a mixture of 3 songs. Yeah, so you just have to follow again. And let's see who does it gracefully. I would request all the volunteer Matajis to have a look at all the children's. Okay, let's start.
नटखट वाला सब नटखट वाला सबका दुलारा देव की पुत्र ब्रज का रखवाला हाथों से मीठी बंसी बजाए तब बड़राए और माखन चुराए बचपन से ही धीमन कुमारे जिनसे डरते थे बच्चे बेचारे ताली बजाओ सारे गाना है सुरीला आओ सुनाओ तुम्हें उसकी बाल लीला कृष्णा मेरा सुपर हीरो कृष्णा मेरा सुपर हीरो कृष्णा मेरा सुपर हीरो कृष्णा मेरा सुपर हीरो Come on, let's chant his name. Lord Krishna will be happy. Radha Rani will bless you and offer you the Krishna prince. So let's chant loudly, leave all anxiety. And please don't be worried, chant and be happy. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shrivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Please chant with me. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Good job. All of you are fine? Are all of you okay? Or do you need a water break for a minute? Yeah, let's have a water break. You must be tired. Let's have a 1-minute water break and come back quickly for another exciting song. Okay? Okay, all of you are ready? Are all of you back? All the kids are back? Yes. Come on, show me a thumbs up. I want your physical thumbs up. All of you. Yes, that's right. That's nice, Shantanu. I can see you. I can't see any other kids. Are all videos on?
We're requesting all the children to switch on their cameras now. All right, the last bit. Go slow, and we'll be seeing each one of you.
Okay, so we have 2 more songs, very exciting songs, and then we will cool down. Okay? Okay, that's nice. Diksha. Diksha is looking so pretty. Okay, let's start with our next song. All are ready? Matatis, let me know when the kids are ready because I'm not able to see them.
Okay, all ready. Yes, everybody's showing their thumbs up so we can start.
Okay, sure.
कुंज गलिना में
Radhe Radhe Sham Sham.
Radhe Radhe Sham Sham.
Oh Radhe Radhe Sham Sham. Hey Radhe Radhe Sham Sham. Hey Radhe Radhe Sham Sham. Oh Radhe Radhe Sham Sham. Oh Radhe Radhe Sham Sham. Vrindavan mein
Thank you all for dancing so beautifully. Awesome. Did you all enjoy this song? Yes. I want to see a thumbs up. Come on, quickly. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's nice. So now, to give you all a little rest, I'm going to play a game with you. Okay? All right, are you all ready for the activity, for the game? Who all are ready? Who all are ready? Yes. So all the volunteers, Matajis, you will have to judge. You'll have to go through. So when I say Krishna, you're going to show your hand like this. Okay? When I say Krishna, your hand should be like this. Yeah? When I say Radha, your hand should be like this. All right? And when I say Kamsa, your hand should be like this. And in a very angry face. All right? All right? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, come on. So volunteer Matajis, are you all ready?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay. Okay, so I will not be able to see all the kids. So I request you all to cooperate with this.
Mataji,
Okay.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, you take page 1, kids, okay? We are going to page 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. Okay.
When you go to the gallery, na, so page
Yeah.
1 will be displayed in front of you.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. I'll do that. Yeah. Okay. So once more, this is Krishna. Yeah, can you see me? This is Krishna. This is Radha with a smile. Okay. So if you're doing Radha and you're not smiling, still you're out. Okay. So Krishna, Radha, and Kamsa. All right. So let's get started. You have 20 chances. Okay. I'll say 20 times. All right. Okay, let's go. Krishna. Kamsa. Radha. Radha. Kamsa. Krishna. Krishna. Kamsa. Radha. Krishna. Radha. Krishna. Radha. Krishna. Radha. Kamsa. Radha. Kamsa. Krishna. Kamsa. Radha. Krishna. Radha. 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 Kamsa. Krishna. Radha. Krishna. Kamsa. Hari Bol. Awesome. Did you all have fun?
So we can chant for the
Did you all
winners.
have fun? Ah, yes. Who is the winner?
So I have page 4 winners. We can start with page 4. The winners for page 4 are Ram Bishnoi. A big Haribol. And Adarsh.
Oh,
A big Haribol. And Gautam.
Haribol.
Haribol. We'll go to page 3 now.
Yes, kids, we have the winners. Here, Krishi Srinivas, Haribol, and Abhinav R, and Nitya Reddy, Haribol, and also Tulsi, Sita, Priya, Silam. All 4 of you did very, very well. Excellent.
Okay, this is the game winners. Winners for
Game
the
winners, yes. Winners for the game, okay? All of you did so well.
Mataji, on my page, all were doing excellent. So it's very difficult for me to pick up. But I was finding Nitya Reddy to be so cute because she's dressed up as Krishna. And then Chaitanya Reddy was doing good. This one more girl was there. Kiara was doing good. Shanaya Bhatt, she was doing excellent. All of you were doing good. With 1 or 2, maybe because of internet issues, they were lagging behind. Otherwise, all of you did very well. Haribol.
Haribol.
page 1, Mataji.
So page 1, I guess all of them were doing very well. So I will not name anyone. All of them are winners for me. All of them. Okay, so are you all ready? Are you all ready for the last song? One last song and we will cool down. Okay, let me just quickly. Okay, ready, guys? Okay, let me know if you're able to hear the song.
Sing till I drop.
Are you all able to hear the song? Thumbs up, please.
Yes, Mataji. Please go ahead.
Okay, okay. So here we'll do a little bit of salsa fitness, okay? All right, are you ready for that? Okay.
Never stop. Krishna, I am you. If you want to hear me sing, I'll sing till I drop. Krishna, I am you. If you want to see me dance, my feet will never stop. Krishna, I am you. If you want to hear me sing, I'll sing until I drop. Krishna, I am you. I am you. Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Hare, Rama, Rama, Hare Hare, Rama, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Grab the person nearest to you and dance, dance. Grab the nearest tree, the nearest grasshopper, the nearest crocodile, the nearest walrus. Dance, dance. Woo. I say, Krishna, oh, 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 I am yours. Krishna, Krishna, I am yours. Oh, Krishna, whoa, I am yours. Oh, Krishna, da da da, whoa, oh, I am yours. I am yours. I am yours. I am yours. If you wanna see me dance, my feet will never stop. Krishna, I am yours. If you wanna hear me sing, I'll sing until I drop. Krishna, I am yours. If you wanna see me dance, my feet will never stop. Krishna, I am yours. If you wanna hear me sing, I sing until I drop. Krishna, oh, I am yours. 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 I am yours.
Hari Bol! Did you all enjoy the song? Yes, did you all have fun? Amazing. Are you all tired? Yes, the girls are saying yes. The boys are saying no. So who do I listen to, girls or boys? Who should I listen to, gopis or gopas? Who? Tell me quickly. Gopis. The gopis are saying gopis and the gopas are saying gopas. So I should be listening to gopis? No. Gopas? No. Oh. Is this for tired? You tired? No, not tired. You want one more song? Yes, I can see all of them nodding their heads. So all the gopis and gopas are in dancing mood today. Yeah, okay. So let's do a song. Okay, let me see what I have for you. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's quickly do a cool down song. Okay? Come on.
Sarvaspistu Vishwasya Kala Prasidatam Dhyanto Bhutan Shivamito Dhiya Manascha Bhadram Bhajata Dadokshaje Aveshatam Mativa
So have to breathe in and breathe out, okay? Breathe in. Breathe out.
Place our hands over our hearts. We invoke this prayer very deeply. We'll sing together Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat.
Come on, snap your fingers. One last time, come on.
Send the sound outwards far beyond the theater. To all the hearts in this city that most need this. Sending that sound deep within our own hearts.
Close your eyes and do this again. Come on. All of you, close your eyes. Good job. Wonderful. All of you were so beautiful. Thank you so much for this session. Hope you all enjoyed the session. Okay. Thank you, Mataji. Haribol.
Hari Bol. Thank you so much, Shweta Mataji. That was excellent. We all enjoyed the code. I think all the kids also. And all the kids, you did wonderfully. You know, like you were like so consistent. You were all dancing so nicely along with Mataji. And you know, like we had hard time judging you guys, believe me. You guys are so nice. All of you. All of you. Wonderful. Very nice. Big Hari Bol to all of you. Hari Bol.
Haribol.
Hari Bol.
And a big
So-
Hari Bol to Shweta Mataji also. Let's chant loudly for her. Hari Bol!
Bol.
And also let us thank Sudhir Gopal Prabhu for being there with us and blessing us constantly, engaging us in service. Let's say a big Hari Bol for His Grace Sudhir Gopal Prabhu. Hari Bol!
We are very grateful, Mataji, for organizing so nice programs. So we really grateful to all the volunteers and all the kids for coming together with so enthusiastically and praying to the Lord from the heart. Let's chant once again, finally, Hare Krishna Mahamantra from our heart. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Thank you very much, all the Matajis and all the kids, for having such a nice time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prabhu. Please keep inspiring us with your presence. Hare Krishna, Prabhu. Hare Bol.
Hare Krishna. So tomorrow we also have cooking, right? Fireless cooking. So let's not miss. So we'll all meet tomorrow again. Okay, for cooking yummy dishes, which Kushbu Mataji is going to instruct us. Okay, we'll see you all together tomorrow. Hari Bol. Hari Bol to everyone. Hare Krishna. Bye bye now.